Well, just a real quick update. I am drilling holes. So I took the wall off. This is the bathroom upstairs. So I got the first hole drilled. I want to cut a piece so I can slide it through, get the 1/4 inch drop per foot so that the water flows correctly. And then I have to figure out how to get it around that corner. So these are not load-bearing walls, so I'm not too worried, but I still try to get the whole center so that there's still at least some wood. Plus it's a double stud here, so which is even better. So other than that, I actually had to take I had that up. I had the post up that was here, and used my Craig tool because I just didn't feel like trying to bash in nails, but it was fortuitous because I was able to take the screws out that I used to remove it so I could get the hammer drill. I did order a new Milwaukee driver corded because the DeWalt's great, but the batteries die so quick. So, and I just don't want to buy, the batteries cost as much as a set. So I got a corded driver for my tools. So I am going to keep working this, move that electrical out of the way so I can run the pipe through there, and then I'll end up cutting this, turning it 90 degrees, and then having it go flow. Actually, I'm going to lift it up and flow this way. So I may have to go get, depending on how much, may depend on how much leeway I have with that moving up and down. I might be able to get away without having to use a rubber exhaust or a rubber gasket for that. And because these things are like $5, but whereas the plastic is like 30 cents, 40 cents, I don't know. I have a whole bunch in downstairs, so I didn't even bother looking how much they cost. So other than that, you all have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you next time on Cheaper Than Rent.